What are the basics of quick, healthy meal planning?
Quick, healthy meal planning starts with a few simple steps. Focus on building meals around lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Choose recipes with minimal prep and keep staple ingredients on hand. This way, you can quickly throw together nutritious meals, even on your busiest days, without sacrificing your health goals.
How can I save time on grocery shopping?
To save time on grocery shopping, make a list before you go and stick to it. Try shopping once a week and choose versatile ingredients that work in multiple meals. Consider using grocery delivery or pickup services to avoid long store visits. Staying organized simplifies your routine and helps support healthier choices.
What are some go-to ingredients for fast, healthy meals?
Stock your kitchen with quick-cooking whole grains like quinoa or brown rice, canned beans, frozen vegetables, pre-washed greens, and lean proteins such as chicken or tofu. These staples allow you to assemble balanced meals in minutes. Keeping healthy snacks like nuts and yogurt on hand also curbs hunger between meals.
How can I make meal prep easier during the week?
Dedicate a little time once or twice a week to batch cooking or prepping. Wash and chop vegetables, cook grains in advance, and prepare proteins you can use in several dishes. Store portions in clear containers so meals and snacks are grab and go, making healthy eating simple, even on your busiest days.
What if I have almost no time to cook?
If you're pressed for time, look for healthy convenience options like rotisserie chicken, pre-cut veggies, or bagged salads. Assemble meals with minimal cooking, such as sandwiches, wraps, grain bowls, or smoothies. Choose recipes with few ingredients and short cook times. Remember, even small steps count toward healthier eating.